Hey, it's Adam from Buzzy. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of some brand new technology. We're just going to make tech previews. You can have a play with it. So if you're familiar with Buzzy, we take an idea, we turn it into a working application. We'll use AI to generate the complete shell of the application. But think of it as like climbing a mountain. So if your goal is to build the application, web or native, is to get to the top, we might get you part of the way there, depending on the brief and the functionality needed. So you might need to do some development work. So in this example, it's a sleep and coffee tracker. It was built, we created the brief, we created the data model. I went and modified that data model to be able to chart how much coffee and sleep I was having on a weekly basis. Now, to do that little charting bit, you actually needed to code. So I turned that into an HTML widget, which allows you to write custom code. So you've always been able to do this by hand. This will take the sleep data and the coffee data and chart it as these two lines over here. All I did to be able to create that chart was I gave it a prompt in the coding widget. So I said, create a chart that charts sleep versus coffee consumption for each day. And we can see that the AI widget that we've built allows it to get the metadata of your application. So it understands all the data tables, pulls that together, can query that code and render it on the screen. We'll give you the capability as well to do things like inserts and updates as well, so you can build those custom applications that perhaps the AI as a starting point couldn't do. This is so cool. The cool thing as well is you can actually modify this. If it doesn't do what you want, you can prompt it again and we'll go and change the code. Actually does an amazing job. Again, this is in tech preview. Go out there, have a play with Buzzy AI. Get on our wait list if you're not on our wait list. Looking forward to getting your feedback. Thanks for watching.